Hello everyone, welcome to Lalude TV. Today I'm going to talk about this interesting movie, KOLEOSO. For some of us that have watched parts 1 to 4 waiting for the final saga of this movie, go to the comment section and comment waiting for the final saga. So immediately the final saga is dropped, you are going to get notified. KOLEOSO is a very interesting movie with A-list actor and actress such as Itele the Icon, Kemity, Babati, Ogboluke, Olaniyan Irewole, and so on and so forth. KOLEOSO is a movie I personally recommend for you to watch because it is entertaining, educative, and also illustrates our tradition and cultural heritage. For you to be the first person to get notified immediately KOLEOSO Final Saga is out, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video you are watching and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.